Okay, I guess I'll do a tornado joke. No tornado jokes? No tornado jokes? I just got a little tornado joke. It's small. It's okay. Okay. I was just gonna say, man, I seem to notice that the tornado was kind of racist. Cause it sat down on Rodney Perm. I mean, it smoked a cigarette on Rodney Perm. They had a conversation on Sherwood as it went to all the rich people neighborhoods like, oh, before I leave, let me get this roof. I'm gonna take this roof. I'm done. Too soon, okay. Just said it didn't go to none of the hood, Mary. Only went where people had home insurance. Look at the white people. Shit.